Hi everyone, welcome back to African AI Kitchen, where we make simple and delicious African recipes you can cook at home.
Today, Chef Amara will show you how to make rich and delicious Nigerian Egusi soup. This is our rich, thick and flavorful Egusi soup, perfectly served with soft pounded yam. To make this delicious Egusi soup, we will need blended egusi, palm oil, beef, stockfish, crayfish, fresh spinach or ugu leaves, pepper, onions, seasoning cubes, salt. Next, add blended pepper and chopped onions to the hot palm oil. Stir gently and allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes. This step helps build the flavor base of the soup. Now add the blended egusi into the pot. Allow the egusi to cook slowly and absorb the rich flavors in the oil. As it cooks, the egusi begins to form the thick texture that makes this soup special. Add the beef and smoked fish into the pot. Stir everything together so the egusi and meat combine beautifully. Finally, add the sliced spinach or ugu leaves. Stir gently and allow it to simmer for a few minutes. And just like that, your delicious Nigerian egusi soup is ready. Serve it hot with any swallow of choice and enjoy this rich traditional meal.